Welcome back to my channel. I used this natural oil just once, and my white hair started turning black. No dye, no chemicals, just a doctor-approved secret remedy that actually works. Why does hair turn white early? Premature white hair is a problem millions face today, even teenagers. What causes it? Deficiency of vitamin B12, iron, copper, stress, poor sleep, genetics, and the daily use of chemical shampoos. But don't worry, there's a natural way to reverse it. Why avoid hair dyes? Hair dyes may give instant results, but they come with a price. They contain harsh chemicals like ammonia and peroxide, which damage your hair from the roots and speed up graying. Instead, try this 100% natural, secret oil that restores your hair's natural color, safely. What makes this oil different? This is not an ordinary oil. It's made with 9 powerful Ayurvedic ingredients, including one unusual vegetable that boosts melanin and deeply nourishes your hair. Let's learn how to make this secret formula. Secret hair oil recipe. Ingredients: coconut or sesame oil 100 milliliters, black seeds, kalonji 1 tablespoon, curry leaves 10 to 15, amla powder 1 tablespoon, wild turmeric, kachi haldi 1 teaspoon, grated or powder, amalthus ki phali 1 small piece, dried and crushed. Eggplant, bangan 2 to 3 slices, fresh, thinly sliced, fresh aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons. Bringraj powder 1 tablespoon. How to prepare? In a pan, heat 100 milliliters oil on low flame. Add curry leaves, let them crackle. Add kalonji, amla powder, wild turmeric, amalthus, and bringraj powder. Stir gently. Now add eggplant slices and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the flame and immediately add fresh aloe vera gel. Let it cool completely. Strain the oil and store it in a dark glass bottle. How to use this oil? Gently warm the oil, not too hot. Apply to your scalp and roots. Massage for 5 minutes in circular motion. Leave overnight, or for at least 2 to 3 hours. Wash with a mild herbal shampoo. Use 3 to 4 times a week. Why this oil works? Each ingredient plays a role. Black seeds and bringraj stimulate pigment production. Amla and curry leaves prevent further graying. Wild turmeric fights scalp inflammation. Eggplant is rich in antioxidants that protect your follicles. Amalthus detoxifies the scalp and encourages dark hair growth. Aloe vera soothes, hydrates, and boosts absorption of all nutrients. Unlike artificial products, this oil restores your natural color from within, targeting the root cause. If you're serious about reversing white hair naturally, this is the remedy you've been waiting for. No more chemicals, no more damage, just pure, powerful, herbal healing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful remedies for hair and skin. Let nature bring back your shine, and your confidence. Thank you for watching.